Most kitchen gadgets look cool, but the truth is, you rarely end up using them. So today, I found 20 smart kitchen gadgets on Amazon that are actually worth buying in 2026. Some of these will save you a ton of time, some make cooking way easier. And one gadget on this list honestly feels like something from the future. But trust me, you'll want to see gadget number 4. Make food prep fun and easy with this elephant drainage vegetable washing basket. Perfect for rinsing fruits, vegetables, pasta, and noodles, it features a clever elephant-shaped spout for quick draining. Compact, lightweight, and stylish in green, it's a cute and practical addition to any kitchen. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Make fun, mess-free sandwiches in seconds with the Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. This 3.7-inch circle cutter and sealer easily creates perfect sandwich pockets for kids' breakfasts and lunchboxes. Just fill, press, and seal for delicious homemade snacks. Its compact light blue design is easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for busy mornings. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Keep your favorite seasonings organized with this 3-grid seasoning box with tray. Designed for salt, pepper, sugar, and spices, it features individual compartments with spoons for easy serving. The hanging wall design or countertop placement offers flexible storage, while the fresh green finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Create fresh, healthy yogurt at home with the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker. Featuring adjustable time and temperature controls, it helps produce trillions of live probiotics for maximum health benefits. The 2 1-quart containers allow you to make larger batches, including thick Greek yogurt. Easy to use and built to last with an ultimate lifetime warranty. Enjoy pizzeria-quality pizza at home with the Piazzano XL 14-inch electric indoor pizza oven. Heating up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks delicious, crispy stone-baked pizzas in under 6 minutes. The dual heat control lets you customize top and bottom cooking for perfect results every time. Designed for countertops and complete with peels and a scraper, it's everything you need for fast, authentic pizza nights. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the 6-in-1 electric egg cooker. It easily makes soft or hard-boiled eggs, onsen tamago, tea eggs, custard, and even yogurt. Designed with BPA-free stainless steel and automatic shutoff for safe cooking, this compact cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or quick keto-friendly meals. Add vintage charm to your kitchen with the elite gourmet Americana 50s retro toaster oven. This mint-colored countertop oven bakes and toasts with 1,000 watts of power, fits an 8-inch pizza, and features adjustable temperature control with a 60-minute timer, perfect for quick, everyday meals in style. Blend your favorite drinks in seconds with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it effortlessly creates smoothies, shakes, and frozen blends in the 24-ounce cup. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, it's perfect for quick meals and healthy prep at home. Keep your food fresh longer with the HWLDN Storage Vacuum Food Storage Container Set. This 6-piece BPA-free glass set includes a manual pump that removes air to lock in freshness. The leak-proof design is perfect for meal prep, marinating, and storing leftovers while keeping flavors and nutrients sealed in. Wash, drain, and store fresh fruits with ease using this upgraded fruit washing bowl with strainer. Made from BPA-free materials, it features a built-in drain basket, lid with ice compartment, and a foldable handle for easy carrying. Perfect for berries, fridge storage, picnics, and outdoor trips. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen electric shabu shabu pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable nonstick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Make produce cleaning faster and easier with the EKZ Sonic Fruit Vegetable Cleaning Brush. Delivering up to 8,000 vibrations per minute, it efficiently removes dirt with food-grade bristles that are safe for your fruits and veggies. USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, and featuring 3 cleaning modes, it's a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Cook fresh meals anywhere with this portable self-cooking electric lunchbox. Featuring a 2-liter capacity, 2 layers, and 4 stainless steel containers, it lets you steam, cook rice, and heat raw food easily. With 110V, 200W power, it's perfect for home, office, dorms, travel, or outdoor use. Compact, convenient, and ready to cook on the go. Maximize your upper cabinet space with this heavy-duty pull-down shelf organizer. Designed for 22 to 24-inch cabinets, its 2-tier system brings spices and essentials down to eye level for easy access. Strong, smooth, and space-saving, it transforms tall kitchen cabinets into convenient storage solutions. Make fresh, nutritious meals for your baby with the Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. This 5-in-1 processor steams, blends, purees, reheats, and even self-cleans automatically. Featuring a stainless steel steam basket, BPA-free design, and 6 reusable pouches, it makes healthy homemade baby food quick, safe, and effortless. Perfect for busy parents. Make perfect waffles every time with the Chefman Anti-Overflow Belgian Waffle Maker. The mess-free moat catches excess batter, while the shade selector and temperature control let you customize every waffle. With non-stick plates, a cool touch handle, and a measuring cup included, breakfast is faster, cleaner, and more delicious. Maximize tight spaces with the SpaceLead Slim 4-tier storage cart. This rolling organizer easily slides into narrow areas in your bathroom, kitchen, office, or laundry room. With smooth wheels and spacious shelves, it keeps essentials organized, accessible, and neatly stored wherever you need extra storage. Enjoy versatile cooking with Aroma Housewares Essentials. The ASP 610 dual-sided Shabu hot pot features a 5-quart stainless steel design, perfect for shared meals with 2 flavors at once. Pair it with the 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cooked rice cooker, a compact multi-cooker and steamer ideal for everyday rice, soups, and more, all in one convenient kitchen setup. Enjoy real espresso anywhere with this portable self-heating espresso machine. Designed for travel, it heats water automatically and brews rich espresso using ground coffee or capsules. USB-C charging makes it easy to power on the go, while the all-in-one kit includes a carrying bag and stand for convenience. Perfect for camping, office, or daily travel. Fresh espresso anytime, anywhere. Keep your countertop dry and mess-free with this 23-inch kitchen sink splash guard. Made from flexible, self-draining silicone, it features a high splash wall and strong suction cups for a secure fit around your faucet and sink edge. Designed to channel water back into the sink, it helps prevent puddles and water damage. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, it's a simple solution for a cleaner kitchen. Enjoy hot, homemade meals anywhere with the Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox. With a 20-ounce capacity, it gently warms your food while keeping it spill-free, warm, and tasty. Perfect for travel and on-the-go lifestyles, its stylish moonshine green design is compact and convenient. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, comfort food, wherever you are. Chop, grind, and prep faster with the KOIOS 500-watt food processor. Featuring two 8-cup bowls and dual bi-level blades, it delivers powerful, even chopping every time. Perfect for meat, nuts, onions, garlic, and baby food, this compact electric chopper saves time and effort, making everyday cooking simple, quick, and efficient. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Cook fast and easy with the Dezen Hot Pot Electric with Steamer. This upgraded 1.5-liter mini pot features a non-stick sauté pan and adjustable power for perfect heat control. Ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, oatmeal, and soup, it's compact, versatile, and perfect for quick meals anytime. Keep your space clean and organized with this 2.6-gallon kitchen compost bin. Designed for countertop, undersink, or cabinet door hanging, it's compact yet spacious enough for daily food waste. The secure lid helps contain odors, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor use in kitchens, bathrooms, RVs, or offices. Convenient, versatile, and space-saving for everyday living. Keep meals fresh and organized with the Tronco 24-ounce glass food storage container. Made from durable, BPA-free glass, it features an airtight, leak-proof lid to prevent spills on the go. Perfect for meal prep, salads, yogurt, soups, and stews. Microwave and dishwasher safe, it's a clean, reliable choice for everyday lunches and leftovers. Chop ingredients quickly and effortlessly with the Pampered Chef Food Chopper. Perfect for vegetables, onions, garlic, fruits, and nuts, this handy manual chopper saves time in the kitchen. Compact, easy to use, and dishwasher safe, it delivers fast, even chopping with simple press-down action, making meal prep cleaner and more convenient. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Slice, shred, and chop with ease using the Yucaba cabbage kitchen knife. Designed for fast, uniform cuts, it's perfect for coleslaw, sauerkraut, and fresh salads. Sharp, durable, and easy to handle, this all-in-one slicer saves time and delivers perfect results every time. Enjoy restaurant-style barbecue at home with the Cuisinmax Smokeless Indoor Grill. Powered by a strong 1500W heating system, it cooks fast with less smoke and less mess. The LED smart display gives you precise temperature control, while the tempered glass lid locks in flavor. With non-stick, removable grill and griddle plates, cleanup is quick and easy. Perfect for Korean barbecue, steaks, and everyday indoor grilling. Prep vegetables faster with the 2-in-1 pepper seed Kora remover. Designed for quick, clean cuts, it easily removes seeds from bell peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, and more. Simple to use and efficient, this handy kitchen tool saves time and makes everyday cooking easier. Clean produce the smart way with this fruit and vegetable washing machine. Simply place it in water and it automatically turns on, rotating to wash from every angle. Using a water rotator and OH ion purification technology, it helps remove impurities, leaving fruits and vegetables fresher and ready to enjoy. Meet the Hug Dug Spoon Saver, the cute and clever way to keep your spoon from falling into the pot. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it works as a spoon holder and lid lifter right on your stove. Fun, practical, and mess-free. It's a cool kitchen gadget that adds personality to everyday cooking. Experience clean, effortless slicing with this foldable manual bread slicer, designed for homemade and sourdough loaves. Featuring dual German RSG blades, it delivers precise, even cuts every time. The adjustable thickness scale lets you customize each slice, while the hand crank system ensures smooth, controlled operation. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body and a beautiful acacia wood base, it folds compactly for easy storage, perfect for fresh bread done right.